काश मैं तुमसे मिल सकता।
I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you.
काश मेरे पास एक कार होती।
I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car.
मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है।
Hard work pays. Hard work pays.
टाइम पर आ जाना।
Come on time. Come on time.
ये तुम्हारी गलती है।
It's your mistake. It's your mistake.
इसमें नमक कम है।
It is low in salt. It is low in salt.
कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है।
Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens.
मुझे क्या सपने आते हैं।
Do I dream? Do I dream?
मुझे जॉब की जरूरत है।
I need a job. I need a job.
चल कुछ खाते हैं।
Let's eat something. Let's eat something.
वो शायद सो रहा होगा।
He may be sleeping. He may be sleeping.
मैं तुमसे मिलना नहीं चाहता।
I don't want to meet you. I don't want to meet you.
उसकी तबीयत कैसी है अब?
How is his health now? How is his health now?
तुम पागल हो गए हो क्या?
Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad?
ये बैग किसका है?
Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this?
तुम चाहते क्या हो?
What do you want? What do you want?
तुम्हें क्या चाहिए?
What do you need? What do you need?
तुम्हारा व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस देखा मैंने।
I saw your WhatsApp status. I saw your WhatsApp status.
तुम समझते क्यों नहीं हो?
Why don't you understand? Why don't you understand?
मेरे फोन में बैलेंस नहीं है।
My phone has no balance. My phone has no balance.
अभी मिल सकते हो क्या?
Can you meet me right now? Can you meet me right now?
हमारे पास ईगो नहीं होना चाहिए।
We should not have an ego. We should not have an ego.
तुम वहां कर क्या रहे थे?
What were you doing there? What were you doing there?
क्या तुम उससे डरते हो?
Do you get scared of him? Do you get scared of him?
तूने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया?
Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier?